How to reverse cash send on Capitec app. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about reversing a cash send on the Capitec app. So if you have made a mistake or you need to cancel a transaction, don't worry, we'll guide you through the steps to resolve it quickly. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to launch the Capitec mobile application on your device, or you can just simply go ahead and log in using the website. Go through the PIN or biometric authentication, that is fingerprint or facial recognition, and navigate to the transaction history and find the transaction history section within the app, and then tap on it to view your recent transactions. The next step is to identify the cash. Scroll through your transaction history to locate the specific cash sent transaction you want to reverse. Take a note of important details such as the date, recipient name, reference, number, and amount. Now select the transaction. Tap on the identified cash and send a transaction to view more details. Step 5 is to initiate the reversal. Look for the option labeled as reverse or cancel transaction within the transaction details, and then tap on this option to start the reversal process. Step 7 is to monitor your transaction history. After confirming, check your transaction history again. If the cash send transaction has been successfully reversed, check your account balance to ensure that the funds from the original cash send transaction has been returned. And if successful, you should see the reverse amount reflected in your available balance. So this was all about it. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.